इसे संभाल सकता हूँ। I can handle this. मैं इसे संभाल सकता हूँ। I can handle this. तुम यहाँ से चलते बनो। You leave away from here. You leave away from here. वह बोलने में बहुत अच्छा है। He is good at speaking. He is good at speaking. तुम मुझे खुलकर बता सकते हो। You can tell me frankly. You can tell me frankly. तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. मैं गहरी सोच में बैठा हूँ। I am sitting in pensive mood. I am sitting in pensive mood. मैं यह अपनी मर्जी से करता हूँ। I do this of my own choice. I do this of my own choice. क्या तुम्हें मुझसे जलन हो रही है? Are you getting jealous of me? Are you getting jealous of me? हमें मिले हुए जमाना हो गया। It's been ages since we met. It's been ages since we met. मैं तुम्हारे बीच में फंस गया हूँ। I am stuck between you. I am stuck between you. क्या तुमने कभी गलती नहीं की? Did you never make a mistake? Did you never make a mistake? मैं एक दिन छोड़कर कॉलेज जाता हूँ। I go to college on alternate days. I go to college on alternate days. उसके बाद भी तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो। Even after that you are lying. Even after that you are lying. मुझे बाकी का काम खत्म करने दो। Let me finish the rest of the work. Let me finish the rest of the work. मेरा जीवन परेशानियों से भरा हुआ है। My life is full of troubles. My life is full of troubles. मैं शर्त लगा सकता हूँ तुम जीतोगे। I can bet you will win. I can bet you will win. क्या तुम्हें मेरा नाम याद है? Do you remember my name? Do you remember my name? मैं दर्द से छुटकारा चाहता हूँ। I want to get rid of the pain. I want to get rid of the pain. तुम बहुत चटोरे हो गए हो। You have become an epicure. You have become an epicure. केवल काम की बात करो। Just come to the point. केवल काम की बात करो। Just come to the point. क्या उसने इलाज कराया था? Had he undergone the treatment? Had he undergone the treatment? काश मैं मुंबई में होता। I wish I were in Mumbai. I wish I were in Mumbai. इसे यहाँ क्यों रख दिया? Why did you put it here? Why did you put it here? मुझसे गोलमोल बातें मत करो। Don't talk clever with me. Don't talk clever with me. उससे बात करते करते मैं सो गया। I slept while talking to her. I slept while talking to her. अच्छा काम करते रहो। Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. मैं इसे और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता। I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. मेरे अनुरोध पर विचार कीजिए। Consider my request. Consider my request. मैं अपनी जुबान का पक्का हूँ। I am a person of my words. I am a person of my words. मेहनत कभी बेकार नहीं जाती। हार्ड वर्क नेवर गोज इन वेन। हार्ड वर्क नेवर गोज इन वेन। उसे ढूंढना नामुमकिन है। इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू फाइंड हिम। इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू फाइंड हिम। मुझे मेरा सब कुछ वापस चाहिए। आई वॉन्ट माई एवरीथिंग बैक। आई वॉन्ट माई एवरीथिंग बैक। मैं उसे अपने घर ले जा रहा हूँ। आई एम टेकिंग हर टू माई हाउस। आई एम टेकिंग हर टू माई हाउस। तुमने क्यों तकलीफ की? वाई डिड यू टेक द ट्रबल? वाई डिड यू टेक द ट्रबल? मैं तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ ठीक कर दूंगा। आई विल फिक्स एवरीथिंग फॉर यू। आई विल फिक्स एवरीथिंग फॉर यू। इसलिए मैं बाहर खुले में आ गई। सो आई केम आउट इन द ओपन। सो आई केम आउट इन द ओपन। तुम भरोसे के लायक नहीं हो। यू आर नॉट ट्रस्टवर्दी। यू आर नॉट ट्रस्टवर्दी। आपको हीरे यहीं मिलेंगे। यू विल गेट द डायमंड्स हियर। यू विल गेट द डायमंड्स हियर। तुम्हें यहाँ अकेले नहीं आना चाहिए। You shouldn't have come here alone. You shouldn't have come here alone. अब ये कभी कोई गलती नहीं करेगा। Now he will not never commit any mistake. Now he will never commit any mistake. हम लोग हमेशा साथ रहेंगे। We will always be together. We will always be together. मैंने अभी अभी अपने हाथ धोए हैं। I have just washed my hands. I have just washed my hands. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. क्या तुम कुछ कह रहे हो? Are you saying anything? क्या तुम कुछ कह रहे हो? Are you saying anything? मैं तुम्हारे ही बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. मुझसे कौन मिलना चाहता है? Who wants to meet me? Who wants to meet me? हालात को समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand the situation. Try to understand the situation. क्या तुम मेरी जासूसी कर रहे हो? Are you spying on me? Are you spying on me? तुम कुछ बोलते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you speak anything? Why don't you speak anything? वह लड़का अजीब लग रहा है। That boy is looking strange. That boy is looking strange. क्या लगते हो तुम मेरे? What are you to me? क्या लगते हो तुम मेरे? What are you to me? कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है चिल्लाने की। There is no need to shout. There is no need to shout. ये लड़कियों वाले जूते हैं। These are girly shoes. These are girly shoes. यह तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है। This is not suitable for you. This is not suitable for you. वह अब रोने वाला है। He is about to weep now. He is about to weep now. हमेशा बड़ों का सम्मान करे। Always respect elders. Always respect elders. खामखा तुमने मुझे डरा दिया। You scared me unnecessarily. You scared me unnecessarily. इसी बहाने तुम आ जाना। You come on this pretext. You come on this pretext. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. यह तुम्हारे चक्कर में हुआ है. It has happened because of you. It has happened because of you. वह सिर्फ कहने के लिए दोस्त है. He is just a so-called friend. He is just a so-called friend. मुझे चावल से ज़्यादा रोटी पसंद है. I prefer chapati more than rice. I prefer chapati more than rice. वह मेरा शुभ चिंतक है. He is my well-wisher. He is my well-wisher. उसे अकेले संभालना बहुत मुश्किल है. It's very difficult to handle her alone. It's very difficult to handle her alone. ये इन्हीं के लाड प्यार का नतीजा है. This is the result of his pampering. This is the result of his pampering. ये सारी बातें आपको कैसे मालूम? How do you know all these things? How do you know all these things? मेरे आने तक कुछ मत खाना. Don't eat anything until I come. Don't eat anything until I come. शायद आपको कोई बुला रहा है. Perhaps someone is calling you. Perhaps someone is calling you. पहले मैं खाना खाऊंगा और फिर काम पर जाऊंगा. First I will have food and then go to work. First I will have food and then go to work. वो जगह से बहुत ही ज़्यादा दूर है. That place is way too far from here. That place is way too far from here. क्या आपको बाइक चलानी नहीं आती? Don't you know how to ride a bike? Don't you know how to ride a bike? वह काली गाड़ी खरीद रहा है. He is buying a black car. He is buying a black car. दूध फट गया है. The milk has curdled. दूध फट गया है. The milk has curdled. वह दिन रात पढ़ता है. He reads day and night. He reads day and night. यह नोट फटा हुआ है. This note is torn. यह नोट फटा हुआ है. This note is torn. मेरा दोस्त गलत फहमी में है. My friend is in misconception. My friend is in misconception. वह बहुत जालसाज आदमी है. He is very deceitful man. He is very deceitful man. वह बहुत चिड़चिड़ा है. He is very short-tempered man. He is very short-tempered man. वह अभी भी गुस्से में है. He is still angry. He is still angry. मुझे लगता है अब मुझे निकलना चाहिए. I think I should leave now. I think I should leave now. तुम बहुत समझदार हो. You are very sensible. You are very sensible. क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर जिम्मेदारियां हैं. Because I have responsibilities. Because I have responsibilities. गाना गाने का अपना ही मजा है. Singing songs has its own feel. मैं हर बात में मजाक नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to joke about everything. I don't want to joke about everything. तुम सचमुच बहुत अलग हो. You are really very different. You are really very different. तुम अब तक उनसे नहीं मिले क्या? Didn't you meet him yet? Didn't you meet him yet? हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते. We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. यह ग्लास झूठा है. This is a used glass. यह ग्लास झूठा है. This is a used glass. दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to your heart. दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to your heart. वहाँ तक जाओ. Go up to that point. वहाँ तक जाओ. Go up to that point. वह कोई ऐरा गैरा नहीं है. He is not Dick and Harry. He is not Dick and Harry. क्या तुम इसका परिणाम जानते हो? Do you know its consequences? Do you know its consequences? वह ऐसे चल रहा था जैसे कि वह शराबी हो. He was walking as if he were drunkard. He was walking as if he were drunkard. उसका प्रदर्शन उम्मीद के मुताबिक नहीं है. His performance is not up to the mark. His performance is not up to the mark. तुम जो भी कहते हो वह हमेशा भरोसा कर लेता है. Whatever you say, he always believes. Whatever you say, he always believes. मेरा दोस्त गलत फहमी में है. My friend is in misconception. My friend is in misconception. वो बड़ी बुरी हालत में है. He is in a bad state. He is in a bad state. वह बहुत जालसाज आदमी है. He is very deceitful man. He is very deceitful man. वह बहुत शक्की मिजाज आदमी है. He is very suspicious man. He is very suspicious man. वह बहुत खुश मिजाज आदमी है. He is very jovial man. He is very jovial man. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. अगर बर्फ पिघलेगी तो पानी बन जाएगी. If ice melts, it becomes water. If ice melts, it becomes water. क्या हम लोग अंदर आ सकते हैं? May we come inside? May we come inside? और उसको दुनियादारी की समझ नहीं है. And she don't yet understand the worldness. And she don't yet understand the worldness. ठीक है, इसके लिए मैं अपने भाई से बात कर लूँगी. Okay, for this I will talk to my brother. Okay, for this I will talk to my brother. अंग्रेजी बोलने का अपना ही मजा है. Speaking English has its own feel. Speaking English has its own feel. क्योंकि आपका छाता अभी भी मेरे कार में है. Because your umbrella is still in my car. Because your umbrella is still in my car. तुम सचमुच बहुत अलग हो. You are really very different. You are really very different. तुम अब तक उनसे नहीं मिले क्या? Didn't you meet him yet? Didn't you meet him yet? हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते. We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. आपके फ़ोन के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है. There is a world outside your phone too. There is a world outside your phone too. शायद कोई दस्तक दे रहा है. Maybe someone is knocking. Maybe someone is knocking. मैं अपने कपड़े बालकनी पर कभी नहीं सुखाता. I never dry my clothes on the balcony. I never dry my clothes on the balcony. धीरे से दरवाजा खटखटाओ. Knock on the door gently. Knock on the door gently. शर्ट पर दाग कैसे लग गया? How did the shirt get stained? How did the shirt get stained? बिस्तर पर कपड़े मत फैलाओ. Don't spread clothes on the bed. Don't spread clothes on the bed. आज मैं वजह बताऊंगा. I will tell the reason today. I will tell the reason today. तुम तुरंत घर आ जाओ. You come home immediately. You come home immediately. मेरे साथ दोबारा ऐसा मत करना. Don't do this to me again. Don't do this to me again. आपको तो कुछ भी नहीं आता. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. मैंने इसके बारे में कभी सोचा ही नहीं. I never thought about it. I never thought about it. मैं ये बात कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget that. I will never forget that. ये जगह बिल्कुल साफ है. This place is perfectly clean. This place is perfectly clean. लेकिन मैं तो देखने के लिए आई हूँ. But I have come to see. But I have come to see. चलो उस कमरे में चलते हैं. Let's go into that room. Let's go into that room. मगर वो यहीं रहेगी. But she will stay here. But she will stay here. लेकिन मैं यहाँ से जाने के लिए नहीं आया हूँ. But I haven't come here to leave. But I haven't come here to leave. तुमने सारा मजा खराब कर दिया. You spoil all the fun. You spoil all the fun. खर्चे दिन ब दिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. The expenses are increasing day by day. The expenses are increasing day by day. मेरी किस्मत दूसरी तरफ है. My luck is on the other side. My luck is on the other side. ऐसा किसी को नहीं लगता है. Nobody thinks like this. Nobody thinks like this. कल से आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to come from tomorrow. No need to come from tomorrow. तुम्हें मेरी काबिलियत पर शक है? Do you doubt my abilities? Do you doubt my abilities? क्या तुम अपना वादा निभा पाओगी? Will you be able to fulfill your promise? Will you be able to fulfill your promise? सबसे पहले खुद पर खूब मेहनत करो. First of all, work hard on yourself a lot. First of all, work hard on yourself a lot. वो घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा होगा. He is having a sound sleep. He is having a sound sleep. उससे बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. It is no use talking to him. It is no use talking to him. ताली दोनों हाथों से बजती है. It takes two to make a quarrel. It takes two to make a quarrel. तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है. This can't be done by you. This can't be done by you. तुम्हारी तो नाक बह रही है. You have a runny nose. You have a runny nose. मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. मुझे सोने से पहले ध्यान करना पसंद है. I like to meditate before bed. मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि कौन सा विकल्प चुनना है। I am not sure which option to choose. I am not sure which option to choose. मैं सुबह उठने वाला व्यक्ति नहीं हूँ। I am not a morning person. I am not a morning person. मुझे अपना पासपोर्ट नवीनीकृत कराना है। I need to renew my passport. I need to renew my passport. मैं सप्ताहांत के लिए इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait for the weekend. मुझे अपनी कार धोने की ज़रूरत है। I need to get my car washed. I need to get my car washed. मस्का लगाना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे। One should learn buttering up from you. One should learn buttering up from you. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है। Be grateful that nothing happened to us. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है। Be grateful that nothing happened to us. मैं पुराने गानों का दीवाना हूँ। I am crazy about old songs. I am crazy about old songs. बाहर का खाना कम कर दो। Cut down on fast food. Cut down on fast food. मैंने वहीं तो उस अजनबी को देखा था। That's where I had seen that stranger. That's where I had seen that stranger. इस तरह का आदमी घमंडी होता है। Such a man is arrogant. Such a man is arrogant. इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी क्या है? What matters the most to learn English? What matters the most to learn English? उसे चापलूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए। He should not flatter. He should not flatter. धीरे धीरे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। Gradually everything will be fine. Gradually everything will be fine. तुम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो। You are speaking more than enough. You are speaking more than enough. मुझे नई नौकरी की तलाश है। I am looking for a new job. I am looking for a new job. आपकी छुट्टियां कैसी थी? How was your vacation? How was your vacation? क्या आप खेल देखना पसंद करते हैं? Do you like to watch sports? Do you like to watch sports? मैं सप्ताहांत को लेकर उत्साहित हूँ। I am excited about the weekend. I am excited about the weekend. मुझे नहीं पता कि पार्टी में क्या पहनूं। I am not sure what to wear to the party. I am not sure what to wear to the party. क्या आपके पास मेरे लिए कोई सवाल है? Do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me? क्या मैं विंडो सीट पर बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit in the window seat? Can I sit in the window seat? तुम्हारी कॉल का जवाब नहीं दिया। I didn't answer your call. I didn't answer your call. क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? Will my dream come true? क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? Will my dream come true? तुम्हें उससे क्या लेना देना? How does that matter to you? How does that matter to